our program. Today, we will talk about how Odias repose their full trust in Modi's development schemes. The people of Odisha are showing full trust and unflinching support for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's development schemes, says Purandar Misra, MLA of Raipur City North and co-in charge of Odisha's election campaign. Addressing two large election meetings at Naupada and Junagadh within the Kalahandi Lok Sabha constituency, Sri Misra emphasized that, like the rest of the country, the residents of Odisha are eager to re-elect Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India for a third consecutive term. Sri Misra highlighted the positive impact of Modi's development initiatives on the lives of ordinary citizens. He noted that the enthusiasm and support from the people of Odisha are indicative of their faith in the ongoing projects and the future promises made under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He further added, Prime Minister Modi's vision for India's progress resonates deeply with the aspirations of the people of Odisha. The transformative schemes in infrastructure, healthcare, education, and agriculture have significantly uplifted the state's socio-economic landscape. The rally at Naupada saw an overwhelming turnout with thousands of supporters gathered to express their solidarity with the BJP. Similarly, the meeting at Junagadh reflected the growing confidence among the locals in Prime Minister Modi's governance model. Purandar Misra addresses also touched upon the strategic importance of Odisha in the national political scenario, urging voters to support the Bharatiya Janata Party for a stronger and more prosperous India. He assured the people that under Prime Minister Modi's continued leadership, the focus on development and welfare would remain unwavering. In a scathing criticism of the current state government, Sri Misra alleged that the villagers, labourers, workers and backward class people in Odisha have been totally neglected by the deaf and dumb Biju Janata Dal government. Drawing a personal contrast, he pointed out that despite living in Chhattisgarh, he could speak Odia fluently, whereas Naveen Patnaik, who has ruled Odisha for the last 24 years, still has not learned the Odia language. This shows his affection and attachment towards our mother tongue and mother state. Sri Misra further criticized the Odisha government for its inaction regarding the educated youth of the state who are struggling to find employment, while the educated youth masses of Odisha are roaming around in search of jobs. The Odisha government is sitting pretty as a silent spectator. He asserted that all-round development in Odisha would be possible only if BJD government is replaced by a BJP government. Misra assured that a Bharatiya Janata Party government would take concrete steps to support the state's farmers and women. We will provide rupees 3,100 per quintal for paddy to farmers and rupees 3,000 per month to women under the Subhadra plan. The enthusiastic response at both venues underscores the widespread acceptance and approval of Modi's development agenda among Odias, further solidifying the BJP's position in the upcoming election. Speaking during the Vijay Sankalp Samavesh, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Vishnu Dev Sai informed the audience that the wind of change is now blowing in Odisha, similar to what happened in Chhattisgarh earlier last year. Sri Sai expressed confidence that this time the people of Odisha are determined to form a double-engine government in the state, ensuring synchronized development and growth under the leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party's Lok Sabha candidate from Kalahandi, Malvika Kesri Deo, addressed both the meetings. Party's MLA candidates Abhinandan Panda and Manoj Kumar Behera appealed for votes in their favor at the Naupada and Junagadh meetings respectively. Distinguished dignitaries present during the occasions included MLA of Arang Guru Khuswant Sahib Kamal Chandra Deo from Bastar's royal family, Bharatiya Janata Party's State Executive Committee member Jagannath Panigiri and Alka Chandrakar.